There is a reason why Cardano ADA keeps touting itself as a third-generation cryptocurrency. Its establishment is configured to set certain things in order. So far, it has shown under blockchains how decentralization is done through its important upgrades and contributions to the crypto world. It has been on a slow pace for a long while, but this year, things are set to take a dynamic turn. In this dynamic world of cryptocurrency, the renowned analyst Ali Martinez, popularly known on X, has shared intriguing insights into the potential trajectory of Cardano ADA's price. On January 9th, Martinez tweeted a chart analysis, which drew parallels between the current ADA price action and patterns observed from 2018 to 2020. Meanwhile, the implications of this comparison suggest a consolidation phase until April, hinting at a possible resurgence of the bull run. What could this signify for Cardano enthusiasts? Ali Martinez's recent chart analysis on the X platform has caught the attention of the crypto community. According to Martinez, the current price action of Cardano ADA is mimicking patterns seen between 2018 and 2020. This famous crypto YouTuber, Dan Gammardello, also mentioned an analysis similar to this last year. In this post, Martinez highlighted the possibility of ADA consolidating around its present levels until April, reflecting the historical trend. In addition, the analyst suggested that if this pattern continues, it could set the stage for a potential resurgence in the bull run. Notably, the chart indicates that the start of the bull run in Cardano's price could help it reach $6. $6? Yeah, that's a huge one. Meanwhile, ADA enthusiasts are now closely watching the charts, considering historical echoes as a potential indicator of the cryptocurrency's future performance, even though this does not always apply. This analysis comes at a time when the overall crypto market is witnessing a positive momentum, mainly due to the optimism of a potential approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF. As the crypto market continues to evolve, analysts play a crucial role in providing insights into potential price movements, and Martinez's observations contribute to the ongoing speculation and anticipation surrounding Cardano, creating a buzz within the crypto community that is eager to decipher the signals embedded in the historical patterns of ADA's price action. This year is going to be a blast. Cryptocurrency investors have a lot to look forward to this year, and it's already starting with a bang, as Bitcoin spot ETFs finally got the green light just a few days into the new year. Fans of the digital currency have fought for the US Securities and Exchange Commission's approval of a Bitcoin spot fund for years now. Their day finally arrived on a Wednesday when the SEC approved of 11 new cryptocurrency funds. Experts have reasons to expect this decision to be a watershed moment for the crypto adoption, with a certain blog post writing that the approval will throw open the market to millions more investors and draw billions in investments. It has been over 10 years since the first application for a spot Bitcoin ETF was filed. In the last several years, efforts to bring these funds to the masses have heated up. Crypto asset manager Grayscale even sued the SEC for repeatedly rejecting its spot fund applications in 2022. After a year-long court battle, the DC, the Court of Appeals, sided with Grayscale. Financial giants, BlackRock and Fidelity, both applied for their spot Bitcoin ETFs, bringing the concept into institutional mainstream. Now, BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale, and 8 other companies have received approval from the SEC for spot Bitcoin ETFs. Of course, it is a big bang and everyone is excited, but for investors who already own Bitcoin, the approval of a Bitcoin spot ETF is not necessarily an earth-shaking event. However, for the big picture crypto industry, experts argue that it could be huge. An expert noted, a US regulated spot Bitcoin ETF could significantly increase Bitcoin's accessibility, liquidity, demand, and price. It allows investors to safely access cryptocurrency without needing to handle digital assets directly. Many risk-averse potential investors may have been holding back from Bitcoin because it is more volatile than other investments, like stocks or bonds. By introducing a spot Bitcoin ETF, these investors can now hold the crypto without having to manage it themselves. Simply put, this is the event that may make crypto fence-sitters finally choose to take the dive. This is the moment that we've been waiting for. The approval of a spot ETF does not just legitimize Bitcoin investing in the eyes of investors. As predicted, experts also expect that it will bring greater interest in a flood of capital from larger financial institutions as well. And yes, Cardano ADA is set to reap the benefits of this bullish season. It could indeed climb to $6 and beyond, and we're being careful to manage our expectations as well. However, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency prices, including the top 10 coins Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Solana, and Cardano, have rocketed higher following the approval of the spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds, regardless of the fears that they could destroy Bitcoin completely. The Bitcoin price has climbed 150% since this time last year, with some predicting a snowball effect that could see the price continuing to mount, with the likes of Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Solana, and Cardano having seen similar price gains. Now, bullish Bitcoin and crypto price analysts have predicted that the Bitcoin market capitalization could surge into the trillions of dollars in a matter of years. There is a finite supply, and now we have a potentially huge increase in demand with a spot Bitcoin ETF approval. So I think in 5 years, something around 500,000 per Bitcoin would be potentially achievable. Tom Lee, the head of research at Fundstrat, told CNBC. This prediction would give Bitcoin a market cap of almost $10 trillion from just under $1 trillion currently. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, kicked off the spot Bitcoin ETF race in June last year, with others piling in following a legal victory for crypto asset manager Grayscale over the SEC, forcing the agency to re-examine its bid to convert its Bitcoin trust to a fully fledged spot Bitcoin ETF, and so far it has been worth the fight. Ahead of the SEC's landmark decision, Standard Chartered analysts said that they expect a Bitcoin ETF to power the Bitcoin price to $200,000 by the end of 2025, if it follows a price similar to the path of gold after the introduction of its first US-based gold exchange-traded product in November of 2004. This looks good, but the crypto market is quite uncertain, and banking on historical trends followed by assets such as gold is not always realistic. Well, for now, Cardano is our utmost source of concern. Cardano ADA is currently at the vanguard of the market with the other top 10 crypto assets. The 60-cent threshold stands as a barrier between ADA and its next potential bullish phase, with recent market dynamics suggesting a breach may be imminent. Delving into the charts, a close analysis of Cardano's price shows a gradual ascent towards this critical level, a journey marked by increasing resistance and robust support. At the moment, the first local resistance level ADA faces is at 58 cents, a point that has historically seen concentration of selling pressure. If ADA surpasses this level, it will likely face its next test at the 60-cent mark, which if broken, could signal a shift in investor sentiment and a potential uptrend. Furthermore, support levels are equally telling, with the 55-cent mark serving as a recent foundation for price rebounds. However, it's the breakthrough of the 26-day exponential moving average that adds a layer of bullish sentiment to ADA's chart. And with this, there could be more open grounds for impressive changes, since this crossover is a technical indicator that often heralds positive price momentum, suggesting that buyers are gaining an edge over the sellers. Regardless of these technical indicators, Cardano's current price performance cannot be fully attributed to developments within its ecosystem. There have been no major announcements or updates that would typically fuel such a rally. In the past, events like the launch of a hard fork or a major update would have triggered these kind of returns. So we can say that the upward movement we are witnessing with ADA seems to be riding on the coattails of the broader market-wide rally, spurred by the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. This is very crucial for investors to consider, as it shows the sustainability of Cardano's price increase may not be independent of general market sentiment. Without substantial ecosystem developments to support the rally, the likelihood of a continued rise based solely on Cardano's merits remains uncertain. It is not only Cardano ADA that is experiencing this rally influenced by the broader market. Other cryptocurrencies have been caught in the moment too. The fact that Cardano ADA has maintained its position in the top 10 coins is a reason to stay optimistic. If there continues to be a strong momentum, Cardano ADA could surge beyond $1. And what's next? Well, road to $6 as predicted by the crypto analyst Ali Martinez. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you click on the subscribe and notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.